What's up there, SEO pros? Today we're going to be covering Yoast's premium SEO tool. Um, this is going to be a pretty interesting video because I've never actually checked out their premium feature before. But I actually just bought it and got it activated. So I'm just going to run through it and see what the difference is. The reason why I actually got this tool was because of the link silo feature that they just introduced, which means you're actually able to go into your posts or pages and do link silos based off this crazy algorithm they created for their tool. Some of the other features that you can use, like multiple keywords in your post, the OG data, I don't really care about. I will look at that, but as far as like the really cool feature, I would say the link silos are the really cool things that that you actually get out of the Yoast premium tool. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. So if we go to pages, I'll show you a couple of things that you can do because I've read a lot about the tool or the premium version. We'll just go into one of our posts, minimize this, and go into my YouTube live dashboard. So we'll click on this post. And we'll go to the tool. So, whoops, where'd it go? So you'll see actually in this, somewhere in here, you should be able to specify the social data, and it might actually do it automatically based off the, it might just automatically pull the information into the post for the OG data. And what that means is, like if we go to the tool, we go to social, I think this is it. Let me click on that. It should be somewhere in here. So there should be a place where it actually lets you edit the image. So the OG data is basically what you're going to be showing as the image. And the problem with that is you don't get to actually share like a video or audio like you'd be able to do with other OG specifications. And I'll show you here, this is kind of like this other tool I use called SEO Pro is what I use because you can really do a lot of different things here, including making your images and whatnot into rich snippets in your posts, which is really cool. And then you can also do video embeds in your shares, which is really cool. And you're not actually able to do that with the Yoast Premium, which I don't know why they haven't added that yet. Maybe they'll add that in the future. But somewhere around here it has the social settings for this. I don't know where it is. This isn't it right here. This is the other tool. So maybe we'll see that in a second. It might be on the site actually. Let's see. So that's the internal linking I was talking about. But I don't see the. Oh well. Let me get rid of those. So for some of the other things that it shows right here, like the insights, you don't get that on the normal version. You'll see it says prominent words, the following word and word combinations occur the most in the content. These give an indication of what your content focuses on. So this is actually what they use to determine what your internal linkings should look like. So if we says once you add a bit more copy, we'll give you a list of related content here to which you can link to in your post. Read our article about so I'm wondering if that's because they're not seeing the copy from this like Fusion builder I'm using. I wonder if I switch this to the default editor, if it'll pick it up. So let me refresh this. That would be lame if it didn't work with in combination with the other page builders. So I'm gonna update it. Scroll back down. I just got a comment from Christian saying, Chase, go to bed. And I refuse to go to bed. There's too much money to be made. Wow, this is taking forever. I'll update it one more time. So you guys can't actually see this right now because it's loading, or because my face is in the bottom. But if you look right here, I'll move this over. You can see it's just this flashing button So I think it's because of the Fusion Builder that I was using. I don't think you can actually use this with Fusion Builder, which is totally lame. And there might be a way around that. The way around that would probably be to actually just take all the text on this post, create a new page, and then see where the links are, and then re-implement them, which is super lame. Because the point of this is so that you can drag and drop your links. So now you can see it. It's just loading again. I'll try this with like a landing page that's already been made. So we'll go to pages or posts. Let's see, pages, yeah. Right there. We'll go to my about page, which I think was actually used with a different editor other than, what was it? What do I use on this one? It's Fusion Builder. I think the other one was edited with something called Cornerstone. No, this one's Fusion Builder also. Let's see. So I mean, this is obviously something that's taking forever to load. And I love how they don't share this, like when they're sharing like how this tool works on their blog. On their blog, it's like, oh yeah, I mean, it's just super easy. You just drag and drop. It takes 2 seconds. So I don't know if it's my site or what. Once you add a bit more copy. So yeah, same thing. Super lame. All right, let's try to get one with just a default. I'm just gonna create a new post and see what happens. So I'm gonna go like this because there's so much content in this post. So I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna create a new page. We're gonna go to Chase Runner. We'll just go to new post. Boom. See what it picks up. So the cool thing about this tool is they do have a money back guarantee after 30 days if you don't like it. And they probably made it because of this reason. I don't know what this membership is. Oh, sorry, this is something else that somebody else has been working on. So yeah, it still says you need a bit more copy, and this is like, what is this? This is like 1,456 words, and it's saying you still need a bit more copy. So this is terrible. I mean, this is the type of thing where it's like, this is obviously not improved enough. They didn't really add these disclaimers in the posts that I was reading. I was reading a bunch of different posts about the premium. So overall, I mean, I'm almost just willing to stop doing the audit here, or the review of this thing here, just because it's so lame to me. I'm going to press this calculate prominent words because I've never seen this. Apparently you get a site-wide analysis too with Pro. We'll see how this looks. Christopher Rismay says it probably works with regular editors. You can expect it to work on, you can expect it to work on everything, but I think you meant to say can't. Yeah, but I mean, I just did on a regular editor and it still didn't work. So either way, I'm probably gonna, maybe this will help. This no, this is the new tool they're trying to promote, and it's just totally lame. So I mean, I'd almost rather just do internal linking on my own. There's got to be some other tool that you can use for internal linking. Internal linking auto tool. Here we go. Internal linking analyzer. Internal link analyzer. Let's try it. So we'll go https chaserunner.com 94 plus 72. It's kind of a hard CAPTCHA. Plus 72 166. Perform check. Total links external. So I guess this is just analyzing the links on this page with the anchor text. This doesn't actually determine where you should be linking, which isn't what we're looking for. Let's see this one. Automatic SEO internal links, that's not good. You don't want to do that. Wow, so I mean, it's either really black hat or doesn't work at all in my opinion on kind of what I'm seeing right here. Better internal link search. I mean, one of the ways you can do this is just look up buzzwords and link them like throughout your posts. What that means is like just look at your posts like this. Learning SEO, just grab that. I would do insert link, options, and then search learning SEO. And then it'll just point to anything that's related to learning SEO, which is in the body of the post or in the title. I mean, that's probably a better way to do it. It's just the nice thing about this is it's more like a thing that's supposed to make things easier, but I mean, the fact that it won't pick, a 1,500 word post up for internal linking, to me is not worth it. Auto links and related posts. Here we go. Try this one. Over 2 years old, so maybe not. Yeah, I mean, that's probably how I'll do it. I'll just do it that way, the other way I was just looking at, and see if that works. Oh my god, this analysis is taking forever. So yeah, this is the point where I'm going to go back to Yoast Premium and tell them I don't want this. Video SEO. Yeah, so I mean, what happened is they made a really good free plugin, and then all of their other stuff isn't necessarily needed because there's so many other tools you can use that are more proficient than these tools. Like for instance, the SEO Pro plugin I was telling you about. So yeah, if I were you, I would, unless you absolutely have to, you know nothing about SEO, I would do the premium. But other than that, I probably wouldn't do it. So yeah, hopefully that saved you guys some time and some money. It might be better in the future, but right now it just doesn't seem like it's totally worth it. And I think they are trying to improve this tool, the premium, to add more features to get more people interested, because right now it's not really doing that great, and I'm sure their internal linking tool is still in its beta stages. So either way, thanks for stopping by, and until I see you guys next time, happy SEOing.